Okay, YouTube people and great guitar build-off people. I've been working, and I got Ambrosia is ready. Front, back. She does need her final polish. She's waiting on pickup rings and pickup covers that are not here. These are not the proper ones. But other than that, she's been tuned down and frets are nice and level, and it needs the edges, the corners fret, with the frets done. They're not bad, but there's just a little bit of work on them. But I'm still waiting on a batch of files from Crimson that's been in the mail for 5 weeks. So yeah, we're just gonna deal with it and do the best we can. And I've got some little cheap Japanese, Chinese files down here. But if it comes to it, well, they're coming out by Monday, and I'm gonna do them anyway. So yeah, the idea is I've been taking the guitar around and letting people play it. He go to a music studio and let the guy play it, and he played this thing and done a beautiful job. And then I took it to the music school, to the funk guitar guru, Eric Blackman. And I let him have at it and just say, look, play it, do what you want. And I expected him to play it 5-10 minutes and say, okay, and then hand it back. The nice brother played this guitar for 1.5 hours. And then when he got done, he said, when that contest is over, can I have it? Well, the other guy that played it, when he got done playing it, he said, can I buy it? How much? And I had to tell both of them no, because there ain't no way I'm turning loose this guitar. There ain't no way in the world. So anyway, it needs its final polish. It needs those few little things. Everything else is perfect on it. I'm kind of rethinking this boiled linseed oil neck deal, fretboard deal. It's starting to already stain up, look like a guitar with some age on it. But, you know, it's cool. It shows you where you play, I guess. I'm kind of liking that. It's showing a little bit of age that way. I haven't done a headstock on it yet. I may do that before I finish the final video. I may not. It just depends on how much I get done. I got a lot going on. But I've got 2 more people to get to play it and let them play it. And then I'll have all 4 people playing the guitar I want playing. And then after I got that, one of them is, well, he was a guitar player, lead guitar player for Randy Travis for a long time, like 11 years. And, well, let's just say that I think he can maybe chicken pick it and show it how to play. So we're going to let him have at it, that's for sure. So him and then a couple other persons, and then I may even play it for just a couple minutes, even though I'm bad, but I'll go ahead and play it. So, yeah, y'all check it out. I'm putting out this video. I'm going to put a little back music behind it, and y'all just listen along, because that'll be this girl singing to you along the way as we play this song. And do me a favor, watch for the final video coming out Monday, Tuesday, early Wednesday of the build on this guitar, and follow the links and give me your votes and help me get to that top 10 so the pros can look at this and see what they think about my craftsmanship and about the way we pulled off this build. And if you want to see how I pulled off the build, go back and look, because there are videos and videos and videos of all the processes and the ways I learned by doing this guitar and the things I did learn, okay? So I learned a lot, and there's things I'd do if I'd done it again, and there's things I wouldn't do if I'd done it again. But you know what I would do? I am going to do it again. So, hey, guys, hang with me, have fun. Great guitar build-off crowd. Thank you all for the inspiration and helping me, push and get this done. And all my fans and friends and Facebook friends and everybody else and YouTubers, hey, y'all all, thank you so much. And if you can get a chance to push the button on that vote and help me get over that finish line with this, it'd be greatly appreciated, okay, guys? So thank you much. Be watching for the video. And hey, if you're not subscribed to this channel, get over there and subscribe now. Frugal Fixer, Spike the Frugal Fixer. He's a guitar guy and a prospector guy and a 3D printer guy and a Fusion 360 guy and a CNC guy. And, well, I'm a high-tech redneck. So just follow along, guys, and thank you a lot for dropping in. I appreciate every darn one of you, okay? Thanks a lot. I bet you thought I was going to play that for you. Ha ha! No way, not today.